I will never look at breakfast the same way after learning this easy recipe. Get ready to make a tropical sunrise smoothie bowl that'll kickstart your day. First, gather your ingredients. Frozen mango chunks, frozen pineapple chunks, a ripe banana, Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds and fresh spinach. And don't forget the fun toppings like kiwi, granola, coconut flakes, fresh berries and mint leaves. Start by adding the liquids to the blender. Almond milk and Greek yogurt go in first. Now toss in the frozen mango, pineapple, banana, chia seeds and a handful of spinach. Ready? Blend it on high for about 60 seconds until it's thick and creamy. Pro tip, use the tamper if needed to keep things moving. Check the texture. Too thick, add a splash more almond milk. Too thin, toss in some ice or extra frozen fruit. You want that perfect smoothie bowl consistency. Now pour the smoothie into a bowl and get creative with your toppings. Start with a layer of granola for that satisfying crunch. Add slices of kiwi and fresh berries for a pop of color. Sprinkle with coconut flakes and finish with a few mint leaves for that tropical touch. And there you have it. A delicious, vibrant tropical sunrise smoothie bowl. Customize it with your favorite fruits or even a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Enjoy your tropical breakfast paradise.